Hello guys and welcome to GameBlob. Today I'm going to be showing you how to set up your own TeamSpeak server with port forwarding so other people can join it from outside your network. So the first thing you want to do is go to this website here. This is teamspeak.com and this is where the download page is. Depending on your operating system and what bit your operating system is. So mine, you first want to download the client 64-bit. That is basically the basis of TeamSpeak. That's how you connect to servers, that's how you speak to people. And then the next thing you want to download is the server. Now you want to make sure you get the right one. 32-bit if your computer is 32-bit, and 64-bit if your computer is 64-bit. So I'm downloading 64-bit because mine is 64-bit. So I agree. Submit. Don't really take the survey, don't be bothered. Just wait for that to start. Okay. Now I recommend making a new folder on your desktop. No, not a shortcut. I didn't say shortcut, did I? Folder called TeamSpeak 3 server. Okay. Now open the zip and extract all the files into TeamSpeak. Okay, so if you go into this and then go into this, you'll have all the server client files. So you want to open this one. And basically, this is what you're doing is opening a server. You need to give it a minute. Just loading up the server. I'm doing other stuff on my second monitor. Okay, so it's creating all these new files, as you can see there. I think that is everything. Yeah, okay, and you'll get this new window. You want to make sure you have these two things, and you need to take down this. Please copy and paste this down into a notepad document or something, because you really need that, and if you don't have that for later, then you're screwed. So that was my TeamSpeak server running, but this is not port forwarded, so I'm going to close it down. It'll be in your little bar down here, so exit. Okay, if you want to port forward this, which I'm sure you want to do, you want to get your oh god, when is it? You want to go to command prompt, and you want to type in ipconfig, and here it will scroll up, and if you find default gateway, okay, so here's my default gateway. You won't be able to access this, but this is my default gateway. So if I go into my browser, like this one, and just give me a second. Delete. Okay, so if I can go into my browser and I type in that default gateway, it will come up this. This is your router port forwarding settings. This is for BT, because I have BT. So you want to go to port forwarding, and if you noticed, I have port forwarded quite a lot of things on this. I want to go to advanced settings. Continue to advanced settings. And basically, if you're not on BT, what you're doing is adding an application. So supported applications. Okay. And then you want to add a new game or application, and call this TeamSpeak. Speak. No for this. And these are your trigger. These are your port ranges. So the first port range you're going to type in is 9987. Second one is 9987. These ones are 9987, 9987. And I put any port range because it doesn't really matter, or any protocol, sorry. So yeah, then you just hit add. Okay, if you only have two, it doesn't matter. It doesn't really matter because in BT they have 4, but it's just basically typing in the same thing. The next port range is 10011. Okay, and that is that one. And then I type in 30033, 30033. Okay, and then I hit add and apply. Now basically what this is doing is adding this application, creating the application. And then you want to go to configuration and you want to add this. So find my PC. I think this is my one. Then I hit add. So this is basically port forwarding those ports to my computer. Just give it a little minute. Okay, and that should be my ports open. You can get open port checker, which I think I have. Can't find it at the minute, but whatever. Okay, and then I basically, instead of having a solid IP, I basically go on to noip.com. This is a safer way. It basically gives you DNS. So basically, people connect to this IP, which will basically port that IP over to your IP. So people don't know your real IP, but they just know this kind of fake one. Sort of like I'm a fake IP, but it's good for websites and stuff. So if I go to hosts and redirects, basically it's redirecting your IP to this address. So I'm going to add a host. And my host name is going to be TeamSpeak GMC, which is my server. Minecraft, yeah. And you can choose any of the free ones. Servegame.com is a cool one. Then that's my port. That's my actual thingy IP. And then I go to add host. And there is the IP for my TeamSpeak. So now what we want to do, since I port forwarded our router for TeamSpeak, we want to open the TeamSpeak server. That's it opening. And go find TeamSpeak client. I don't really need to update. We want to go to connect, and then you want to type in this, your no IP address, or if you just want to do your IP, that's completely fine. It does not matter at all. And then I go to connect, and if you want, just make sure this connects.
Connected.
Okay, and we're connected. The privilege key, it's fucking somewhere in here. Changelog, is it? No, it's not changelog. Privilege. I don't know. Right, you need to, you know, the privilege key. Basically, type down. That is the key that you need to type in. So basically, what that will allow you to do is add different channels. It's really cool. Like add different channels. Hold on. If I open my other TeamSpeak server real quick. What the fuck?
Disconnected.
Okay. Hold on. Exit. Oh god. TeamSpeak server. I tried to do a start pop, but that didn't really work. It's all capitals, right?
Connected.
Yep. And look at this. This is my TeamSpeak server. So basically, I have loads of different channels, like a private channels, which you need a password for. For my Minecraft,
Channel
I have
switch.
admin channels, interview
Channel
channels,
switch.
different
Channel switch.
lobbies. So there's Teams lobbies, and it's really good and interesting, and really good for servers and stuff. And basically, in my next video, I'll be teaching you how to set up your own Minecraft bucket server. I'll be showing you around my server and do permissions and stuff. So please stay tuned to that. Please like and subscribe my video. That'll be really help me out a lot. And thanks for watching. Okay.